That's so cool. Nice touch. The infamous Old Town clock and fountain. Here we go. Let's make him holler. Oh.
Others may walk along with you, but
Old Town has been here for 40 years. And here's the entrance. Old Town.
FTV New Jersey family, from Wildwood to Disney, vacation reviews or videos in between. Let's go FTV.
Old Town. I don't know what these people are waiting for, but they've been waiting for a while. Maybe a ride conductor. But here we are. We are at Old Town. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to FTV Family Time Vlogs. Tonight we are in Old Town. We took our SUV to the Old Town Road. Every year I feel like they're trying to get better and better and better. So we'll see what it's like. Parking situation was nuts. We had to park all the way at the end, but it doesn't look like there's that many people here. Just a front forward facing shot, and you could barely, there's like barely anybody here. Just, it's so weird. I do like this fountain now. Oh, the general store. So many memories. I used to come here as a child all the time. Speaking of nostalgia, and since I was a kid, the Black Market Minerals has literally been here forever. But I just love how Old Town, it's brighter than ever. It lights up at night. I like it a lot. The bricks too. Let me get like a good one right there. That's so cool. Nice touch. The brick walkway. They used to have like a, oh, it's still here. I see it in the cage. Like an inmate that you can electrically shock. Such a classic. All right, here it is. It's still here. Only $1. You'll make him holler. We got our $1. Something just scared me. I'm not even gonna lie. But here we go. Let's make him holler. Oh. Hey, I put $1 in. He didn't have much to say. Let's get this to go. Watch him sizzle. Shocking. Maybe like a jump scare thing. Wow, wow, that's loud. That is loud. You're not going to recognize it because I'm going to adjust the audio of that, but wow, that's loud. They do have a beef jerky experience. Or a tattoo, if you need a tattoo. Shooting alley. I don't remember a shooting alley. Wow. It's pretty cool. They made it look like Cars car from Disney. Pretty cool. $5 to use a credit card. Shall we get our fortune from the Harry Potter wizardy hat thing going on here? Mom's gonna get her fortune.
I just told you.
Oh, it's gonna tell you what you are? Let's see if it's right.
Do I have to hit someone?
Maybe hit it.
my what an interesting person you are. I say it's your road, yours alone. Others may walk along with you, but no one can walk it for you. Safe journey.
Safe journeys, thank you.
That's it?
That's it. This store looks cool. License plates. Lots of them. There is the infamous Old Town clock and fountain. It's a nice shot. It's so hot, I would jump in there. Need a selfie right here. Wait, Old Town. Up now? Yeah. Yeah, thumbnail, that's what I mean. Where's Kyle? Kyle, get in. Oh, we're good. Alright, it's getting a little busier down towards the start of it. This is the infamous haunted house that's been here for a long time. Shall we go see? Don't look. We're gonna look though. See anything? I remember this place. They still have the Dodge bench, truck bed kind of thing. They got really cool stuff in there. Perimeter first, and then we'll go inside some of the shop. The Disney shop is still here. They have stuff from the park, clearance outlet, everything. We're a little past the Disney shop now, and we're getting towards the start, kind of where you enter from 192. E.T. phone home. Oh, they have a lot of figures there. Magnet. Oh, Tiki Gym. That's a classic place. Sure, this shop is new. I don't ever remember it, but it's groovy, man. Here we go. There's a Nathan's. I think so. I don't remember the Nathans. Oh, the ball's going up. Wow. That is high. That's gotta be crazy at night. And here's the entrance. It's cool driving through this, especially at night. It's just, I don't know, it feels special when you drive your car under the Old Town signs. Right next to the Ferris wheel. Very nice. This is a good thumbnail. Right here. Right there is a good smile. Old Town. I don't know if this Ferris wheel always goes this slow, but it is painfully slow. Yeah. Falling asleep. Watching the yellow go by. Alright, let's check Scully's out. I don't remember this place being here either. Looks kind of new. Looks like they have band tees and whatnot. Oh, Oasis. Stevie Nicks. Oh, they got a lot of skulls too. That's cool. I like that shot glass. And they do have an abundance of t-shirts, depending on what band you want, I guess. It looks like they pretty much have everything. And then you can see them on the wall here too. They have everything. Look at this. Gervana. Pervana. I like the aliens too. Oh, and they have a Big the Foot. Adam the Wolf. Uh-oh. Is Mom finding things? So they do have a lot of clothes, shirts for like clearance prices here too. They all have different sayings by sizes here. Oh, I flexed and the sleeves came off. You see the tool? Mom wants me to show this. That is cute. Even though Tiki Gyms doesn't really change that much, we'll check it out. We haven't checked it in a while. Whew. I like the SpongeBob shirts, and the rubber ducky, and the gummies, and the cocktails. Pretty cool shirts. Oh, another I flexed and the sleeves fell off. A lot of tchotchke kind of things. Yeah, man. La Razza Razza. Screw the Cracker. Polly wants a cocktail. Classic. Oh, and it looks like they have like dolphins and stuff. Although I will say one thing. This is kind of a small Tiki Gyms. Florida shot glasses. 5 o'clock somewhere. What are these? Oh my god, those are great. This is cute. I like this little guy right here. How much is he? $70. Taking it into the Annie's Gifts, which is the best Disney souvenir place you can go to. This and the outlets are like my favorite whenever we're in Disney. So let's check it out. They have a great selection from kids to adults and all kinds of Disney hats, from aftermarket to first party. Shirts, same. And they're pretty reasonable, to be honest. See, if you all want to match, there's a place to go. And they are $16.99. These are some of the adult hats. You will find first party hats, like I said. So I used to come here every year before the park to get one. See, this is an official Nike, $25. In the park, this is like over $40. Harry Potter. Cool Harry Potter. How much? $15.99. We do have a couple Universal hats, but the majority of them are Disney. Oh wow, that kind of looks familiar. Wounding around. Check it out. Give it karaoke. Oh wow, that's the big fake Marilyn Monroe. Like how the register is a car. Yeah. A lot of cool stuff in here. So what they do have a lot of in here too are like the metal kind of signs. I do love like these metal signs. I just don't have any more room for them. Ozzy. Elvis. Ooh, glare, sorry. I'll show you this Elvis then. Braden loves posters. See any good ones, Bray?
Not really.
No. Moms.
I like Dad's Only Smarter.
Oh. You think you're smarter than me, Mom?
I didn't say that, the sign said that.
I'm asking you.
No comment.
No comment. Coffee. If you're not shaking, you need another cup. So Old Town has been here for 40 years. You come to Old Town, you have to visit Black Market Minerals. There's something in there for everyone. I mean, maybe not everyone would like this kind of stuff, but our family definitely enjoys it. It's unique to look at. A lot of good stuff. And we always get rocks here, but I'm not gonna get rocks this time because I have like 7 bags at home and I use them for nothing. Very nice. Here they are, the rocks. I'm not falling for it this time, even though I do like them. I do like the magnets of the geodes and nice. I was watching TikTok and a place is going viral because they sell these, like they sell them here. You can snap them open right there. That's a fun kind of thing they should do here. This is a really nice one. Wow. I just love that. I do like the rock bracelets too. They're cool, and they have like every different rock you can imagine. It's cool. Ooh, tiger eye. Alright, we got a couple things from the mineral shop. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to check out the Old Town General Store. Really? It's 1986. Old Town shirt. 17. Any kind of color. Hello. So it's kind of like, I've been seeing this stuff other places, but I think more of it with the names. Do people still kind of get these kind of name souvenir things anymore? I don't know. It's like 2 stores. Like this is the one store, and then it's all open to go into the other side, which was the second store, I believe. I've never been in here, if you could tell, even though it's been around for so long. Just a lot to look at. Hot sauces, A lot of candy. A lot of shirts. Been a cool little place. I like this shop. Oh wow, they even have neon lights. Look at these. Get this shot of this cool car. I think it was a real car. Seems so boxy, like where you sit. Probably was real. And in the back of the truck, they're selling some goods. Half off stuff. More name stuff. The amusement park over here, or lack of one. So we just left the general store, and it turns out I got a it turns out I got a koozie. They gave me a free koozie with a beer. So they had beers just chilled right at the desk where you check out. We were buying a sticker. And I'm like, you can't drink the beer outside, can you? She's like, yes, you may. It's private property. And they have like some of the cheapest beer in all of here. So you could just grab a beer there and take a little stroll. That's awesome. Current situation, we're just sitting, having our general store koozie beer in hand, and just looking at the views of Old Town Kissimmee. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed some of the new stores and some of our favorite stores. I don't see the Magic Shop. I believe one of my favorite ever stores here, the Magic Shop, is gone. So that's kind of sad. But we had a good time exploring some of our other favorite stores and the new stores. I hope you enjoyed that. A lot more Florida content to come. We're just gonna have fun and take you guys along for everything. Thanks for watching. Peace.